welcome back to my channel again. Guys, today is what you call this one? Going to first day of Ramadan tomorrow. So now tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow morning, right? So walang pasok guys, so magala-gala kami. At doon si Orlin nauna na siya. Ayan. May bibili na kami. What do you call that? Plastic for the cargo. We will send some bubble wrap, yes. Pang wrap ng ano, mga baso, mga pinggan, ganun guys.
Camera, mama is making not come. No. Don't lock it.
After bababasa mo. Thank you. See, you give me but Dada not give me. Yeah, right?
Can I give you something if you short it? No, right?
No. Nice flower. Hi, Orlen. Say hi to your vlog. Hi. Hi. What's that? Orlen, give me this one.
Put it here like this.
No.
Like
No.
this. If you put there, it will ruin.
Orlen, give me this one. Why you put for me? It should be for you.
I don't know.
Orlen, give me these flowers. Hey. Nandito na kami guys sa loob ng 20 Pasa. And nagtingin-tingin kami ng ng mga glass. Ang daming papilian. Lahat magaganda guys. No.
Dada, camel.
Hi.
Guys, look, a camel.
No, this is not camel. That is sheep, right?
Not this one.
Yeah, look like this one. This one. Right? Glass. 40. Right, no? This one, guys. Bili namin. Pakargo.
Let's see what I find.
Okay. Nice, no? For coffee and like
You can have
tea.
it.
We got two. It's plain. No? That's okay.
Want this one or?
Take the design is good. Ito guys yung gusto ko. Teapot. Lagay mo dito yung green tea, ganon, mga chamomile, tapos lagay ng hot water. Then, like this. Ganda. Pero ano siya, 34. Ganda sana. 34, 39. Hihi, ang mahal. Ang ganda ng kulay. Okay, we will go and take. Mahal din, tag 8. Ang ganda ng mga pang-kusina. Daming papilian. For bake. Hi.
Hi, but you can go and go up the. You can come here.
You can show me where can find the some parcel glass.
It's right there. Guys, look, you can put.
Oh, careful.
We can put some tea here, and we can put on the glass.
21 maybe.
Oh my god. Guys, this is a better one.
With salary time we will take. Nice this one, no? Ang ganda nito. So, hanap tayo ng
Guys,
ng plastic.
guys, look, let's go.
Oh, plastic guys.
Guys, look, I have chicken. Oh, guys, a tiger.
Everywhere the tiger. Before sheep, now tiger. Right?
Huh?
Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, yeah. Or maybe not enough. What do you think? Enough? If it's enough, then we'll buy again. On! Little love, little love, little love. What is that, babe? Bili ako. Bili ako, guys. Ng ano, sa garden. Hammer. For your teeth, only.
If you for your teeth, you make like this and remove.
This one also. Bumili kami.
Put and
For
remove.
garden. For garden also like this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Very hard, you know?
Be careful, otherwise you will get cut.
Yeah. Pang ano guys, pang trim sa ano. But heavy, no? Nice, we need that one. So tapos na kami guys dito sa baba. Punta naman kami sa taas. Pili kami ng ano, ng kanyang ano, book na subtraction. Kasi na-exams siya sa ano. Actually 3 days na nag-exam sila. Tapos next week ulit. Yung subtraction at saka addition. Diba? KG2 may subtraction at saka addition na sila. KG2 pa lang yan, ha. Kaya ayan. Maghahanap ako. Ang ganda ito guys, multiplication. Kaso nga lang, ulin. Wala pa sila dito. Addition pa lang at saka subtraction. Ganda sana pag may anong addition at saka subtraction. Wala yung hinahanap namin guys. Yung addition at saka subtraction. Wala. Kainis. Nako, mahihirapan ako dito. What is this? What is this?
Look at this.
See?
Look at this.
Choose which one you want.
I want this.
Okay. Take both. Okay, happy now? You're happy?
But I like this one.
Yeah, that is for ano.
Yeah.
If you got mistake, we need to erase it. Cut.
No, I like this one.
This one is okay. Unicorn. Unicorn or
You wanna have
Choose.
this?
but it's good unicorn, no? Unicorn. Unicorn.
I choose the
Only choose unicorn.
Show me here. Show me here.
Ninja. Guys, only got this one, unicorn. Pencil.
I'm gonna go get ice cream and go to your house.
Why you get? You have already so much things.
Because I got
Teeth. Remove.
get out.
Hindi pa niya kaya magsuot ng ganyan. Okay, walk. Ang cute. Come on, walk. You cannot wear? Hindi siya marunong mag-ano ng ganyan.
Not now. We are opening the house. Yeah, nice, no? Do you check size, no?
This is for like
Not good.
See pops.
okay.
I like this one, the first one. No size? Oh, uy. Get up.
Guys, look, I got these 3 things. Because I removed my teeth. Now time to go get some ice cream. Ice cream.
Show your teeth. Teeth. Hey, yo.
This one more. 3.
So you want to become 3XL? Or
So ayan guys, tapos na kaming mamili and nakakuha ako ng pants. Isang pants guys. Nakakuha ako ng isa. Tapos eto, yan. Ito, kumuha ako ng isa. Ayan. Then, isang ganito. Nakadali ng dalawa. Slowly.
don't leave me.
Marlene, hi. This one, the tiger, everywhere. See, look, everywhere. Slow. Sa meow meow. Meow meow. Ang daming tao, guys. No, not there. There. No. Here, this side. Kasi bukas Ramadan na, kaya ang daming tao. Which one you buy? I like. For you, Dada, what you want? Oh my God. For me, I want butterscotch. Butterscotch. For you, what?
I got cotton candy.
Okay.
Okay, I want to eat now.
Oh,
Put it here.
first.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ice cream over there. Sinunod na. Nandito na kami guys sa taxi. We're going home na. Ang daming tao doon guys sa sa 20 Plaza.
335.
Then, yummy. Dilim na. You know, magra-Ramadan na yung decoration.